You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word from Italian, as well as how to say more Italian vocabulary. There are many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Lasciare. Lasciare meaning to let go, or to let something fall down, or to leave something. Lasciare. Lasciare is how you say it. And now you know more Italian vocabulary for you here. If you enjoy learning, like and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.